Racket to, mag-aayos, thread type. Tumutunog kasi to eh. Tapos, maalog. Yung may-ari, walang pambili. Kasi mahirap lang yung may-ari nito eh. Kaya gagawin natin ng paraan. Ito, investing. Thread type, 8 speed. Ayusin natin. Mabulitas yan, maliliit sa loob. Gusto nyo magpagawa dito, pumunta na lang kayo.
Yung bike guys, may problema. Pati yun siya, may problema din.
Kasi hindi siya nakaana-ana eh.
Ana.
Problema niya. Pwede na rin naman guys, pulitas mo ito. Babalik na natin ito. Ito yung spring nyo, dalawa. Bila. Natin. Mabusisi lang yung paggawa nito guys. Wag yung, ano tawag na doon? Yung tainglet.
Don't me.
Don't try.
Don't move.
Don't try this in home. Yeah, actually. Yeah, guys. So. Actually guys, ayusin natin to guys. Yeah. Now you know guys. Ayusin natin guys. Now you know. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Okay, so may squeezer yan dalawang piraso. Pag umalog guys, pwede nyo tanggalin yung isa lang ilagay yun. Tapos ito, ilagay nyo ng grasa dito guys. Pati dito. Para antay-kalawang guys. Dito lang isinimple lang guys. Actually guys, saglit lang to guys. Yeah guys. Actually guys. Pag wala kayong tools, putin nyo lang to guys. Putin nyo ng ganyan guys. Mabilisan lang guys. Yan. Tapos guys, pukpukin nyo na lang guys. Kasi unang-una guys, hindi naman natin to guys eh. Pinagawa lang to eh. Hindi, pinapukpok talaga to. Yan. Kasi yung tools nito, may ano to. May dalawang. Yan guys. Yan guys. Tigas guys
Ayaw pong umikot.
Pag ayaw umikot guys, balik na guys. Sobrang kasi guys Yan guys. Yan.
Okay na guys.
Okay guys. Balik natin muna guys. Dapat pala dalawang speaker guys.